So today is weigh-in time, weigh-in day at the Frugal Gardeners weigh station. As promised, today we're going to find out how much these giant zucchinis weigh. Just to give you a quick recap, these were given to me by the Frugal son-in-law and the Frugal daughter, and I had a little, I don't know if you can call it a contest or not, but I asked people to give me what they thought the weight was. The average zucchini is 6 to 8 ounces. There's nothing average about this guy, so we'll start with this one and see what we get. Okay, that's over 4 pounds, 4.17 or 4.18 actually. So we'll call it a little bit higher than 4 pounds. Now, number two, getting my workout for today. This one is even larger than the first one, heavier than the first one. This is 4.5 pounds. So together we have 8 pounds, well, 8.5 pounds roughly of zucchinis. That's a lot of zucchini. This is going to be a challenge for me, but we're going to have zucchinis for a while now. 8.5 pounds is the total. So that's it. I got plenty to do today. I got some pears from the garden and a few other things going, but I wanted to do this quick weigh-in, and that's it for now. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.